What makes 1-800-NO-FALL Orlando unique is the diversity amongst its people. I mean, 1-800-NO-FALL is a diverse company, but Orlando specifically just has that little bit of a difference amongst the people. I mean, we have people of all ages, younger, older. We have people from everywhere around the country, around the world really, but we have very bright and bubbly personalities. And when they all mesh together, it creates something really beautiful in the office and the atmosphere. So it actually makes me happy and excited to come to work every single day, is working with the people in the office.
What makes 1-800-NO-FALL office in Orlando so unique? I would say every rep that works in this office brings something else different to the table as far as their personality.
My name is Douglas Regan, and I'm a Gold Regional Manager of 1-800-NO-FALL, and I've been with the company for going on 9 years.
My name is Emily Medina, and I am a Gold Team Leader, and I've been with the company for 6 years.
En los cuales tengo 3 años trabajando en 1-800-NO-FALL. Esta empresa me dio la oportunidad de crecer en un país que no es el mío y así demostrarle a mi familia, a mis hijos, que sí se puede, que no necesitas nacer aquí para poder cumplir tus sueños.
The growth in 1-800-NO-FALL Orlando in the last year has been unprecedented. It's been one of our biggest, if not, it is our biggest growth year. We went from maybe 20 reps to 46, going on 50 reps. We went from a goal of 100 cases to 160 something cases a month, and we're still growing. And the thing about growth is that I love meeting all these new people, seeing new challenges to connect.
My name is Anthony Jimenez. I've been working with 1-800-NO-FALL for 7 years. One of the greatest benefits to me is help out people in the community. Also, to me, it's not just a company, it's a family.
Hoy en día tengo la gran responsabilidad de dirigir un gran equipo de personas con metas y propósitos a cumplir.
I would say the growth in this office within this year has been major. A lot of our new players have set the bar very high to be very motivated and outgoing, to where us older players that have been here don't have another choice but to keep up and keep on moving forward together.
So when I started 1-800-NO-FALL, I stepped into the shoes of becoming a first full-time mom. It has helped me become the stronger person for not just myself, but for my daughter by working in this job field.
And helping everybody grow, and especially with the management. We have new leaders who came in here recently and it's just exploded. We also have leaders that's been here for a little bit while and they're starting to get their feet. The growth from 1-800-NO-FALL Orlando has been something really, really amazing in the last year.
With this new milestone approaching, I would like for our office to grow by 20 to 30 new reps, and individually on my team, I would love to hire 2 to 3 solid players.
Goals that I personally want to achieve going into the next year is I want to create more opportunity and leadership. I've seen a lot of growth in leadership specifically in the last 6 months, and I'd love to see people's life change for the better, and that's something that really brings joy to me in my position, is seeing those people excel, grow, not only in personal, financially. So for next year, I wanted to get more people in leadership positions so we can grow the office together as a team. From the 1-800-NO-FALL Orlando office, we'll see you in 2024.